Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lava. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jezebel and I post videos on cocktail recipes and alcohol content. In this video, I'm going to show you something so different that I want you guys to spot the difference and drop me a comment below and let me know what it is. But by the end of the video, I'm sure you guys will know what are the both cocktails and how similar they are. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Manhattan. It's a simple and easy cocktail that everybody can do, based with 3 simple ingredients: a sweet vermouth, whiskey, and Angostura bitters. So take your shaker and add some ice. Let's go. You guys could use a glass shaker, while I don't have mine. It's just broke. So there you go. Add about 60 ml of your bourbon. And 20 of your sweet vermouth, or 30 of your sweet vermouth. There you go. Take your spoon and give it a nice stir to it for about like 30 seconds or more. But don't forget to add the Angostura bitters. Add about 3 dashes of your Angostura bitters. I almost forgot that. Give it a nice stir again. There you go. Take your cocktail glass or martini glass and directly pour it in. You just need to strain this, or stir it and directly strain it into your cocktail glass. Beautiful. There you go. Now you need to garnish it with a cherry. Traditionally it is garnished with a maraschino cherry, but I would just go with a normal cocktail cherry. And I'll just take one of this and drop it straight in the glass. There you go. So cheers guys, that's your Manhattan. I'll leave this aside while I make the other cocktail. That's a Robroy. So this cocktail is based with, again, 3 simple ingredients: the whiskey, vermouth, and the Angostura bitters. So again, take your shaker, add some ice again. There you go. Add about 60 ml of your whiskey. There you go. 30 of your sweet vermouth. That's a martini rosso. You could use any preferred one that you have. There you go. And 3 dashes of your Angostura bitters. Again, take your bar spoon and give it a nice stir to it for about 30 seconds or more. There you go. Take your cocktail glass or any other glass that you have at home and directly pour it in. There you go. To garnish it, again, a cherry. This time I'm going to use, a cocktail stick or a sword stick. And I'm just going to put it over the glass. So you guys know that there are two cocktails looking similar, but they are really unique and different. Well, cheers. This is your Robroy. Enjoy. Robroy and Manhattan. Now I want you guys to tell me, did you spot the difference? I'm sure many of you did. A little about the Manhattan whiskey. A Manhattan is a cocktail made with a whiskey, sweet vermouth and the bitters. While rye is a traditional whiskey of choice and others commonly used is Canadian whiskey, Tennessee or bourbon. Cocktail is usually stirred and strained into a cocktail glass and traditionally garnished with a maraschino cherry. If you do have a maraschino cherry, just go for it. A Manhattan can also be served on the rocks. A popular history suggests that the drink originated at a Manhattan club in the New York City somewhere in the 1870s, mid 1870s, where it was invented by Anne Marshall, a bouquet in honor of a presidential candidate. Wow, a lot that this cocktail has to offer. But the exact date when it was done, nobody really knows. Moving on to the Robroy. A Robroy is a cocktail consisting primarily of whiskey, vermouth and bitters. It was created in 1894 by a bartender at the Waldorf Astoria in Manhattan, New York City. Again, they both are from the same place, but this one was in premiere of a very special guy or a guest called Robroy. And a Robroy is similar to a Manhattan, but exclusively made with Scotch whiskey. I hope you guys noticed while I took the different whiskey, and you might be wondering why there's a different whiskey bottle here. While Manhattan is traditionally made with rye and today commonly made with bourbon or the Canadian whiskey. So this is something about the Manhattan and a bit of the Robroy. And there you go. So you know what's the difference? A similar but a traditional unique cocktail. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.